Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Leaply subscription step by step. If you no longer want to continue your Leaply membership, this guide will help you cancel it easily. So let's get started. First, open the Leaply website on your desktop and sign into your account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, go to the top corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. From the menu, select Membership Info. This section contains all your subscription details, including your active plan and billing status. Now look for the option called Turn off Auto Renewal. Click on it to proceed. The system may ask you to confirm your decision, so carefully follow the on-screen instructions. Next, you will be asked to select a reason for cancellation. Choose the option that best matches your situation. After that, your subscription will no longer renew automatically. After completing the process, make sure to check your email inbox. You should receive a confirmation email. If you can't access your account or face any issues, you can also cancel by emailing support@theleaply.com with your account details. Their support team can process the cancellation for you, especially if you're locked out or see an unknown charge. And that's how to cancel Leaply subscription quickly and safely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.